Good morning, everybody here on TikTok and YouTube. Let's go ahead and get into today. Okay, we have a lot halting. I don't really see much that I want to keep an eye on besides IFBD. IFBD does have some good volume to the upside. I do think if we practice VWAP, we're going to go up to 3 to eventually 315, probably even 4 potentially on IFBD. Not really seeing anything too good there. Again, the rest of our watch list, we have Good Morning Tech for the Beginners, ISEE. Whoa, here we go. All over the upsides at 254, so let's go ahead and see. Maybe we can jump in for the halt. I might be looking to jump in for the halt. Halt levels at 255. We're not really getting anything. So again, oh wow. That might be a really good time to actually have a nice entry for a nice push higher, but I'm not going to take it right out of the gate. Good morning. We have 181 people in here. Welcome to the stream, everybody. Live on YouTube. We're seeing IFBD pull back into this area. 5-minute doesn't look super good. Now we're starting to get that volume to just continue to downside, just continue to increase. Holy cow, look at IFBD. I also like DMS on the 5-minute, starting to form a little nice doji. Maybe we could push up into this area and maybe continue to push up to around 242. Pixie halted. I like Pixie. Halted to the downside. All right. There's DMS. DMS could move all the way up to 242. Let's see if we can actually break this downtrend. It's not the cleanest downtrend, I would say, but it is a downtrend. We do need to pull back. We have CO and L halted, in EOV unhalted, LM and R unhalted. All right. Nothing crazy. Nothing is happening that's super crazy at the moment. We have INM sitting at 11, 12. Possibly room higher. I don't like that extremely high volume on that candle. We could squeeze higher, but again, at the moment, I am not too confident in it, so I'm not going to take it. If I'm not too confident in it, I'm not going to take it. Thank you for the likes on TikTok. What are you guys watching? Anything that I'm missing? Anything that you guys want me to look over? Oh, there's DMS. DMS is moving higher. All of the upsides at 230. I like this. It is. Let's see what's going to happen here. Might look to take around 400 shares. Might look to take around 400 shares. Let's see what happens here. DMS ripping. I am watching DMS. This is my top stock to watch. I think we could see this all the way back up to 240. If I'm taking 400 shares, I'm going to look ideally for around 10 cents. If I can catch anything more than that, I would be happy. Oh, excuse me. SPP, I believe that is. Not a fan. Not really a fan at all. Oh, there's DMS. DMS is starting to get some action. Starting to move really quick now. It looks very snappy to the downside, so I'm sitting on my hands at the moment, waiting for that best opportunity. As we know, today's Friday. Friday is the hardest day to trade. HYRE. I do like that, but it's not really like. It's not moving a crazy amount, but if we do break over this area, I do think we have room up to 180 on HYRE. I think DMS is probably our best stock to watch at the moment. I like that volume. I want to see it pull back down around 205. I'm going to look to enter around 205 for the possibility to see the squeeze up to 240. I'm going to look. I want to see a nice pullback. I want to see a nice decreasing two-legged pullback, maybe around to 203, maybe bounce off 2. If we can see that, I would be very happy with my entry. What do you think about the TMC and the metal company? I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure at the moment. I'm looking at DMS for the possible flag and continuation, as well as the downtrend break. I'm looking for a nice flag on the 1 minute. I'm looking for the downtrend break on the 5 minute. And then I think we have room to 240. I'm going to play a little bit more patient. I want to see one more candle pull back, very light volume. And then I'm going to jump in. It could rip and run on this candle, but I'm not going to take it. And there it is. Got that light pullback at 207 and saw the squeeze. Again, I'm not looking to take short trends. I'm looking to take very, very strong trends. Now, if this didn't pull back as hard as I want, I don't think that this is a strong trend. So I think we got to wait for the pullback. So JZXN on the watch list. I'm not really seeing anything else that I like on my watch list besides DMS. PRE, EVEN, not really seeing it. ISEE, okay. I like ISEE. Let's go ahead and clear this drawing set. We have the all-time high at 1935. Are we about to break this? Are we about to break this all-time high at 1935? Over that level, we're going to be taking profits at whole dollar levels. There's DNS. Now we're starting to see this pullback. I want to see that 5 minute pullback down to around 205, maybe a nice 5-7 minute pullback, something like that. Thank you guys for the likes, thank you guys for the follows on TikTok. HYRE. Man, I am tired. I woke up at like 9:22, so very late. It hasn't even been 20 minutes since I was laying in bed. So at the moment, just kind of gotta wake up. Break and hold. Sky's the limit. ISEE. ISEE does. We're about to break an all-time high at 935. Let's see if it pulls back. Oh, there's DMS. Oh, never mind. Sorry, I thought I was ripping. I misread the numbers. There's a nice squeeze. What's going on with the SPY? Swivel's starting to get some action. SWVL. Which one do you like? Think you like? Well, now I'm watching SWVL. Buy or sell gold? I have no idea. I would assume buy gold and hold gold, like the actual metal. So. I like this one. It's pretty good. I mean, we're starting to get some volume to the upside. I want to see a nice healthy pullback and more market structure before I actually jump into this trade, because I'm not a huge fan of this overall structure. It's not giving me anything that I really like to see. I mean, yes, we are moving higher, but it looks so like up, sideways, up. It's not, there's no like personality to it. Like it's pretty snappy. So again, and we have DMS continuing to break higher, but again, we're just gonna be sitting on our hands. I hate this price action. That's kind of up, but it's sideways. I hate that price action. So that's just something that I don't like. XW, not too sure. I wish you good luck. Thank you, man. I wish you the best of luck as well. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping in the stream. Did Josh say why he wasn't going to be streaming today? By chance? Good morning, team. Happy Friday. Hope all of you yesterday in the markets and we're locking some great profits. Fridays are the most challenging trading days of the week, so make sure you're locking these profits and end your week strong. I will not be in chat today as I'm still trying to handle a few personal things. I do apologize for any inconvenience in any case. And I'm more than happy to extend memberships by 2 days to make up for the yesterday and today. Family comes first when I am needed. I am there. Thank you for understanding. Have a great day. Well, I hope Josh figures everything out. I'm calling him today at 12. So I'll make sure he's okay. See what's going on. So I hope everything's good. I hope him and his whole family has I wish them the best. Oh, we're starting to get INM starting to pull on up. Let's see if we break over this intraday high at 1175. Over 1175, you could see this thing all the way back up to around 13. I do like the daily, or not the daily, sorry, the 15-minute. I would take around 70 shares. I would look, I mean, I'm looking up for 14. That's pretty good, but like, I'm not really looking to, I mean, this thing can move quick. This is INM. INM has a float of 14.4 million. So we'll see what happens here. Not very high volume, which is okay, but I mean, that is something that we got to keep an eye on. What do you think of gold? Long or short? I don't know. I don't trade gold. I would say in the long run, buy gold. Don't short gold. Gold just goes up. Della, stop. I think we could, I like swivel now. I like this market structure now. This decreasing volume pullback, increasing volume in this doji candle. Let's see if we get the break here. I don't think I'm going to take it. Just because if this does move, I don't think it's going to rip up any higher than 10 cents. And that's what I'm looking to get at least 10. So at the moment, guys, again, Friday is very slow. Now we're starting to get some action. Let's see what happens here. We haven't seen any halts in a minute. So hopefully something will pick on up and something will take our attention. We have trend. Ooh, not liking it. PETZ. PETZ's moving up, but not a huge fan of it. ISEE. ISEE, there's a break of a high. It has still continuing to push. Carlos does stuff. DMS still has high volume, but is not really breaking one way or another. Yeah, I mean, maybe it will. I mean, DMS is kind of moving up and up, but I hate this price action. This price action that's kind of sideways, but it's trending upward, but it's sideways. I just don't. I personally, I can't find an edge on it. I don't like it. I like very quick moves. Boom, boom. Like it's pull back, then to an uptrend. I don't like this kind of sketchiness. Hold on, I gotta let my dog out. Yeah. All right, I'm back. Oh, SV. Oh, INM. INM halted downside. Okay. SWVL gonna get halted to the downside here. Possibly. This thing is absolutely. This is like what we see that pop and then it absolutely just start tanking on off. This is why you need stop losses, guys. This is exactly why you need stop losses. Holy cow. MULN, can you check it out? Yes, I can. Oh, we also have MOGU. MOGU starting to get some action here. Let's see a nice pullback, and then we're gonna see a squeeze through $3 from MOGU. But actually, it does look like it's very light volume at the moment, so I want to see that pullback and confirm that the buyers are here. MULN, sorry. Pulling back. Not a huge fan on the daily. We are kind of chopping sideways. I don't really have anything for it. I mean, it's just MULN. It's not too sure. There's nothing really looking good about it, so. I don't like this upper wick here, so that's a little bit concerning. Now we're starting to see DMS start to pull on back. Let's see this pull back. Let's see a nice market structure. Let's see a bottom, and then let's see a push. Carlos does stuff. Dude, I love that name. Carlos does stuff. All right, give me 1 second, team. All right. Thank you for the likes. What's going on? Emoji U. Not a huge fan. Again, at the moment, I'm not liking anything. JZXN. Not a huge fan. ISEE. This thing's ripping on up, but I'm not a huge fan of it at all. It's slower moving. I like the quick, fast movers. PGen. All right, guys, I like PGen. I really like PGen. Really started to take on off over this level here. What's the next target? Next target would be around $3 and then $3.50. Over $3.50, you have $4 and $5. So let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can get a nice. Let's see if we can get a good entry on PGEN. TMS. Not a huge fan yet. Nice bounce off VWAP here, but not a huge fan. This thing could still rip on up. I'm just not super confident in it. Good morning, Joey. How are you doing today? Okay, we're starting to see the break. We could possibly see the squeeze over 3 here. We're starting to get that, but it's a little bit too high for me. A little bit too high. There's the flush. That's why I didn't want the flush. Broke over the high, and now we're pulling back. Don't want to see that. We do not want to see this flip bearish, this candle, but we could very well see this thing pushing up. DMS is also starting to push up. Nothing's looking good. I haven't made a single trade yet. Just sitting on my hands waiting for the best opportunity. INM halted to the downside. There's DMS pulling back. That's what I was afraid of. That's why I did not jump in. GovX. Okay, I like GovX. This could be a break, but I'm not too sure. I'm gonna play it a little bit more patiently. It is Friday, it is slow, it is a choppy day. Good morning, Jakey Lakey. How you doing, my man? Welcome to the stream. Rain, what's up? What's up? All right, all right. Oh, I am open and halted down, or open down. Oh, the SPY. Starting to move on off. Oh. Man, guys, there's absolutely no opportunity in the market today. For my strategy, at least. There's the new pre-market high on the SPY. That's what I like to see. MOGU could be gearing up to break out here, could be flagging for the actual breakout to go test 330. I think we could test 330 today if we break out to the upside. That is the 200 SMA on the daily. So let's see if we can get any action here. Now we missed our entry off like 287. And we're gonna start to break out. If we do break out here, we should see a lot of volume. My stop would have to be around 10 cents away. So I mean, maybe a little bit more. It would have to be 13 or so cents. There's the flip. Oh my goodness, this thing is super choppy, super choppy. Doesn't know what to do. Does not know what to do. Let's see if my dog is back. It's just a little bit too choppy for me to even want to jump in on MOGU for the possible break. Not a huge fan. ARBK. No. Is this my top stock to watch at the moment? Is MOGU. If we see a nice push below VWAP and then a nice squeeze higher, I might be or a nice soaker candle. I might be looking for a nice squeeze for that break up to $3. So. Man, the SPY is absolutely ripping. Going on with the SPY here. RGNX, my biggest holding into the year, and with $100. So RGNX. MOGU, let's see what it does. Let's see if it's going to do anything. I'm not a huge fan of this at all. $15-minute looks good. If we ever break $3, we're gonna see this thing rip. There's MOGU breaking to the downside. We have a very nice flag here. I think we room up to 20. It's only a point though. Oh wow, DMS is ripping. Thank you, thank you. Halt levels at 270. We have room up to 288. DMS is, I've been watching US for Ganesha, it just keeps pumping. It does. Took off without me as well. Is anything following DMS? I'm not too sure. Let's see another decreasing volume pullback and then I'm gonna look to jump in. Light volume, I don't want to see it break here. Even though it's going to break. It can rip without me. I didn't get my entry. Break lower, break 230. Break 230. Come down. Break 230. 231, we have 50 lots. They're getting taken out at 231. Let's see this pullback. 233, 232. Very light decreasing volume. We're not going to wick below at all. We're not going to wick below 30. I still think we're going to wick below 30. I'm at 31. Push down to 30, 230. Very decreasing volume. I'll go ahead and enter at 234. We'll see if the buying pressure can start to come on off now. Let's see if we can get that squeeze. Not looking good. I had to take a stab at it. Was looking for the break, but just didn't want to break. There's 231, 230. Had to cut it there. So, took a very small loss. There's the wick below 30 that I was wanting. See if the volume is now starting to pick on off. I think we have room at the 288. And I like that volume on this candle. Pull back just a little bit before ripping. Pull back just a little bit before ripping. Minute 234 again. Let's see this thing start to rip. Minute 234 again. I want to see this thing break over 241. Break over 241. Let's see this buying pressure. Let's see this thing squeeze on this candle and the next. We have 13 seconds left on this candle. I want to see this thing squeeze up to 250. I want to see this thing squeeze up to 250. Getting a bearish reaction off of it. 232, 233. We got to start seeing this thing start to move. We're on a new candle on the 5-minute. Break over 30. Let's see the buyers over 30. I like this decreasing volume. I think we could start to see this buying pressure start to take over. Starting to get a lot of buying, a lot of selling, a lot of buying and selling at this area. I mean, obviously, there's always a lot of buying and selling. Let's see if we can get this to pop. I like this on the 5-minute. I like the decreasing volume on the 5-minute. We might wick below 227, but if we wick below 227, I want to see a nice soaker candle. There's 227. There's a lot of orders there. They're getting filled. Starting to get some volume on this candle. Broke below. I still have hope on the 5-minute. Break over 230 again. Break 230. I know you want to break 230. 5-minute looks good. We have to start seeing that buying pressure start to come in now. I want to see this flag on the 5-minute continue to push us up to 260. I want to see us push up to 260. We have to start seeing that buying pressure. If we do not, I'm going to just cut it. Oh, looks like I might just have to cut it. I don't know. We saw that wick. Now let's see the push. Let's see the push past 230. We don't see the push past 230 in the next few minutes. I'm going to have to jump off. I'm going to have to get out of this trade. Push up past 230. I'm watching DMS. Break over 228 right here. Break over 228. There it is. We're not seeing that buying pressure really kick on off. But I do think the 5-minute still is showing us some buying some bullish pressure here. That flag, decreasing volume on the pullback. We're starting to see the bounce here. I want to see a break over 228 on this candle. We have 15 seconds left on this candle. We should start to see the break here. We should start to see the break. There's some more buying pressure. Might have to cut it if the volume's not strong. I want to see the break over 230. Very, very light volume. 30 seconds left in this candle. Let's see the buying pressure continue to push us past 230 and 240. 241 is the pre-market high. I like that volume, but I want to see a little bit more volume. We really need to see the push on this candle. We really need to see the push on this candle. I'll go ahead and get out there and I'll take the small loss. I didn't want to pull back more. It looks like it could have had a false breakout over this area since we are getting hit with some selling pressure. So it doesn't look like it is strong. And there's that false breakout. I'm going to get out for a small loss today. Down 1680. All right. I am done trading for the day. Thank y'all so much for stopping in, and I will see you guys bright and early Monday morning. And as always, trade safe, trade smart, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.